7, is it? Oh!
Come back. Stay over there already.
Faceplant Hill. We're all waiting.
We're gonna have to hit the route on the
Yeah, same line. Yeah. Oh, same spot. Rocks! Watch out! Watch out! Oh! Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Rock! Oh my gosh, that was so close. Nice. Yeah. Second lap. Nothing. Nice. Damn. Yep. Oh. You got it, bro. Yeah. Oh. His tire is completely flat. His rear tire. Yeah. Come on, hold him. Oh. Push him, push him. Yeah. Oh. Between the trees. Oh, right in the middle. How's that one? Bro.
Okay, I should have gone a little bit left that time.
Yeah, you got it, dude. Yeah.
Oh, seen you. I've seen you.
7, is it?
Oh, yeah. All right. All right.
Wow. Yeah, you got it.
3 times the clock, Johnny.
Not a game.
Let's go, Kenny. You're making us proud, Kenny.
That's the one. Oh. It was good.
Mike.
Put a front tire. Oh, flip them. That'll work. Oh, left to right. Yeah. Nice. Oh. That's it. Go. Oh. Yeah. That's the best one yet. You got it, dude. You got it. Yeah. Good job, dude. Yes. Yeah. Yup. Let's go. Come on, Candy. Come on. Come on. You got it. So close. Yes. Yeah, Kenny! Let's go! Come on! Yeah! Lead him to the top. Yeah, boy.
Pro class. In 5th place, Colton Haker. 4th place, all the way from the East Coast, Josh Toth. In 3rd place, Will Reardon. In 2nd place, Ryder LeBlanc. I like the teaser called the head crown, but that's not what it is. And in 1st place, Tristan Hart. I had a 30-minute lead. He came in and did not want to look at me. Will Reardon, I've known him for a few years. This is his first pro podium with the U.S. Hard Enduro Series. Congratulations. How was that race?
Brutal. A lot longer and tougher than I think we all thought. Track was fun.
Ryder LeBlanc. Being a hot new rider, first year with Rockstar Husky. How was that race?
Oh man, it was gnarly out there. There was a lot of pushing, a lot of help from the locals, and man, it was awesome. I had a great time. Yeah, at one point in the 2nd lap, I had to just like get my bike unstuck because there's no one around to help, and I was just crying and screaming, like hoping someone would come help me. No one came, so I just had to like drag my bike up the hill, and I had nothing left after that. This whole 2nd lap, I was just riding around like with nothing.
All right, well, good job, Ryder. And then Tristan, they call him a robot for a reason. He's been pretty dominant on the mainland and the world. This guy has won some of the biggest races in the world, so we're glad to have you. How was the race for you?
Kapila broke the robot today. That's it. It's broken. I know he's happy.
Yeah, the trail cutting crew, you guys broke him pretty good.
Yeah, it's one of the most tired I've ever been after a race, so they definitely downplayed it. They were saying, we're gonna add a couple sections, but man, it was like a whole new course today, and I was just like, all right, we're almost back, and it was like section after section, but I liked it, and he wanted to see me push my bike once, and there's probably GoPro me pushing my bike 50 times. So I got what I asked for, so thanks. And he took out all the hard stuff too. I guess we need to get better before we come back. But thanks to my whole support group. Congrats to Will on his first podium. I was supposed to spray Will, but there's no champagne, so I'll spray him with the Red Bull instead. Mahalo, guys.
Pretty brave taking over the event like this. All right, thank you everybody. Drive safe. Until next time.